The Behavioral Theory by B.F. Skinner, also known as the operant conditioning. B.F. Skinner was an American psychologist, a behaviorist, inventor, and a social philosopher. B.F. Skinner developed his theory through a combination of experimental work and theoretical analysis. Okay, so let's look at the experiments that Skinner used to develop the operant conditioning. So Skinner used a hungry rat in a Skinner box. The box contained a lever on the side, and as the rat moved about the box, it accidentally knocked the lever and food pellet dropped. That is, the food dropped in the box. The consequence of receiving food every time it hits the lever ensured the rat to repeat the. So someone may ask, what is the meaning of the box and the rat? Yes, the experiment really represents positive reinforcement. So the lever represents the behavior of a child. The lever represents the behavior of a child. The food that drops in the box becomes the reward for the behavior the rat exhibited. Yes, I think you are still looking confused. Let me calm down a bit. Now, what Skinner is actually saying is that if you want a child to continuously put up a good behavior, you must positively reinforce it so that the child will repeat that good behavior again and again. So let's bring it to our classroom. So as a teacher, if your child answered a question right, what do? You clap for the child. The whole class claps for the child. What does that mean? Meaning you are reinforcing a positive attitude for the child to do more. The clapping is standing as a reinforcement to the child to do more. So the same thing can be applied in our homes. If a child puts up a good behavior, a parent, you have to reward the child for that. And if I say reward, I don't mean giving the child money or no. That is not what I'm talking about. You can buy gifts for the child. Or if you don't want it that way, you can hug the child or send the child to the pool or maybe any playground for the child to play. So if you positively reinforce the child's behavior, the child will continue to exhibit that same behavior. That is just what Skinner was talking about. As the rat hit the lever, the food fell in the box for the rat to eat. So it continued to what? Hit the lever. So the same thing applies to children. If you reinforce them by rewarding them, they will continue to exhibit good behavior.